I'm sure you have all been faced with this annoying generic warning that pops up when you are attempting to list on a listing that already exists on Amazon. And I am here to tell you that you can get approval to be able to sell your items on these listings because I have opened a case with Amazon during Q4 and I was able to get it approved this way. And I'm here to share with you how I was able to do that. So, what I did is I opened up a case giving Amazon the ASIN that I was trying to list on. And I mentioned that I was approved to be able to list generic in this given category, which I was. So make sure that you are approved for the brand generic in the category that you are attempting to list in. And then Amazon's reply back to me was that in order to research this with their investigation, they requested that I supply the following information. So I was able to provide to them the product title and the ASIN. There was no batch ID to provide, and I did provide them the error screenshot like the one in the previous portion of this video. And I sent them pictures of my product, which were not generic. They were branded products, but this was for a variety pack, a bundle. And I took those pictures and I submitted them with my case. So then what happens, and you'll see by the timestamps, and these were about an hour apart, Amazon sends me their first, what I thought was going to be a canned reply about forwarding it to the correct team. And an hour later, they immediately approved me. And they said because it was follows Amazon's generic policy. And I went to my account right away as soon as I got this message because I really didn't believe that I would be allowed to list on this listing with that warning because I just really didn't believe it. And sure enough, I was able to list my item on that generic listing and have had no issues. So now when I get blocked on these generic listings that used to be open for any of us to jump on, I am now able to get approval by simply opening up a case and sending photos of the item. And the item that I have done, and few more since then, have been branded items that other sellers have created bundled listings on Amazon. And I've taken pictures of this branded item showing that it is a bundle. And sure enough, it has been working every time. So go ahead and give it a try and let me know in the comments section if it has worked for you.